I smell children. Good morning, Columbus. Happy Halloween. You guys look awesome. You all look awesome. All right, we got a busy day, so we are going to get started right away. Miss Larish is going to start us off. Good morning, Columbus. I have a very important question for you. Are you ready? Have you ever heard of pumpkin buns? James McComa, who is out today. Let's give a round of applause for our kindergarten and first grade leaders. Moving on to second grade from Mrs. Calici's class, Lindsay Miranda. From Mrs. Scaparo's class, Emmanuel Say. Mrs. Thompson's winner is Sarwa. And from Mrs. Alberico's class, Mateo Rosa. All right, moving on to third grade from Mrs. Whiter's class, Isabella Palmer. From Mrs. Payne's class, Emma Nuhanovich. From Mrs. Williams' class, Casey and Carnation. And from Mrs. McEwen's class, Mohammed Saleh. Let's give a round of applause for our second and third grade winners. Moving on to fourth grade from Mrs. Gutierrez's class, Lily Paw. From Mrs. Parada's class, Santino Ramos. Mrs. Jackson's winner is Franceli Vargas. Miss Murphy's winner is Fawn Mayat. All right, moving on to fifth grade. Our winner from Miss Schaefer's class is Aria Milkovich. From Mrs. Bishop's class, Zachariah Bob. Well, he's absent today. From Mrs. DeLuke's class, Kashif Shepard. From Miss Tobias's class, Toyzion A. Toller. And from Mrs. Evelo's class, Alex Gino. Let's have a round of applause for our fourth and fifth grade winners. I'm sorry, we have a little correction. Our winner from Mrs. Bishop's class is Aiden Bujajic. Okay, moving on to sixth grade from Mrs. Rucci's class, Diamalis Nolasco. From Mrs. Weaver's class, we have Shay Lou. From Miss Vitaro's class, Safa Al-Swayan. And from Miss Vitale's class, Johan Ramache. And we're moving on to special area. From music with Mrs. Larish, we have Jaylene Nolasco. Art with me, Mrs. Vega, we have Annalie Alexander. trait is responsibility. What's that mean? We need a 0. Responsibility starts with me. With me or with you? With me. With you. Everybody. Okay? Responsibility starts with everybody. Responsibility means being dependable and working hard to get the job done. When you try your best and work hard to do what you are supposed to do, you are showing responsibility. We can show responsibility by finishing our tasks on time and not blaming others for our mistakes. All right, our November meditation is going to be follow the leader. We're going to do a nice little daydream in the morning. And our positive affirmation, we're going to do this part by part. Okay, I'm going to say it, then you're going to say, are you ready? I am confident. I am confident. I am important. I am important. I am brave. I am brave. Can we put it all together? Yeah. All right, I'll say it, then you say it. I forgot it already. I am confident. I am important. I am brave. Awesome. I'm going to turn it over to Mrs. McEwen for our pumpkin decorating contest winner. Good morning. Happy Halloween.
How much fun was decorating those pumpkins? Did you guys have a good time? I gotta say, it was super impressive to see all the talent here at Columbus School. Each class, special area teachers, every area in the building, from the main office to reading teachers, everybody did such a great job with decorating their pumpkins that I know you students had a difficult time deciding which one was the best. Am I right? Okay, so during the week, PTO went through, we counted all the votes, and we decided on doing a first place, second place, and third place winners. So what we're going to do is, when we announce the winning classes, the teacher will come up and get their certificate, and the class will just stand, okay? Are we ready? Do you want to do a drum roll? Okay. So for first place, the best decorated pumpkin was a lion. Mrs. Jackson's class. Mrs. Jackson. Congratulations, guys. Mrs. Jackson's class, stand up. Good job, everyone. Congratulations. Yeah.
Thank you so much. The kids worked so hard, and we are so proud to be the first place. So thank you, and happy Halloween.
Thank you. Now for second place, we have a special Pikachu pumpkin. Can you guess which class that was? Mrs. Evelo's class. Congratulations. Mrs. Evelo, you can come up and get your certificate in your class. Yes, good job, guys, standing. Oh, she's so cute.
Thank you, everyone. It's awesome. Happy Halloween. I'm so proud of our kids.
Good job. Okay. And third place.
actually won something. Congratulations to us. Happy Halloween.
Good job, everyone. So as I said again, you guys did an awesome job. And you know what? Everybody's a winner because you decorated the most impressive pumpkins anybody has ever seen. You're all talented, you're all creative, and you know what? You did an awesome job. So